Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 281 different strategies, with 87 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 172 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,006 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a Forex day trading strategy. So the source video says scalp and grow just 2 indicators to skyrocket your account. And so, of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. And so what we're going to do is just go ahead and hide these 2 indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the KDJ indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and it'll look kind of similar to this right here. What we're going to do is just jump into the settings on this. Under the inputs, you're going to change this one right here to 18. You're going to change this one right here to 27. Make sure this one is on 14, and this one should be 20, 80, and 21. All those, I believe, were on the default. Go ahead and jump into the styles, turn off the histo, here selection number 1, turn off the J right here, and then scroll down and turn off the background colors. And I did go in under the plot right here, and the kind of background here, the KD, and change them to a more vibrant green and red color. That's totally up to you if you want to do that or not. And then the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the SMAs indicator. SMAs 10, 50, 100, 200, and it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and select that one, add it to the screen. Under the inputs, you're going to leave all these on the default inputs. Under the style, go ahead and turn off the first SMA. Then you can keep on the other 3 selections here. And what I did was I made the SMA 4. It's really bold line weight right here. This one here, the next line weight down. This one here, the next line weight down. Just so that way it's a little bit easier to see how they are staggered there. And so for a long trade, what we're looking for is when the indicators kind of have that classic alligator style fan position. And so what we're looking for is when the thicker one is below the other 2, and it goes the thicker one, medium, thinner one, and that's going to be an indication of an uptrend. Then what we look for from the KDJ indicator is a green dot like this right here. When all those line up, price action should be above the moving average as well, and that's going to be your signal to enter into a long. And put your trade right here, your stop just right below this kind of pivot right here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Should be good. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, you can see that we make a nice climb there, getting us to our take profit relatively easily. Alright, and for a short trade, what we're looking for again is kind of that classic alligator style moving average setup where you have the larger one above the other 2. So we have the large one, medium, and thin one. And then price action should be trading below all three of the moving averages. And then we pick up this red dot right here. When all those line up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a short. I'm going to put our stop just right above this pivot right here, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, a really nice push to the downside, getting us to take profit relatively easily. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades, putting us at a 40% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000 altogether. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $1,200. So that would have put you at a break even, not including any spreads or commissions. So most likely in the negative by at least a little bit. So definitely not a great strategy. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 78 trades altogether. We had 61 winning trades and 17 losing trades, putting it at a 78% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $36,600 on the losing side. You'd have lost $20,400 for an overall gain of $16,200. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 5 trades altogether, 3 winning, 2 losing. A 58% win rate would have been a gain of $600. On the crypto coin, we had 4 trades, 3 winning, 1 losing. A 75% win rate would have been a gain of $1,200. For the week, we would have been up $1,800. At the 27-week total now, we would have been up $44,410 over 213 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.